Ever wondered how to give your videos that movie style finish with smooth rolling credits? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create professional looking rolling credits using Canva. Fast, simple, and completely free. Whether it's for a short film, a school project, or a fun home video, this technique instantly makes your work feel more polished and cinematic. Let's jump right in. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's free and you'll be able to use it for tons of other creative projects later. Once you're in, type rolling credits in the search bar. You'll see a variety of ready-made templates specifically designed for this purpose. Browse through them until you find one that matches the tone or theme of your project, something that feels just right for your video's ending. After choosing your favorite template, click Customize this template. This opens Canva's design editor, and this is where the real magic happens. Start by editing the text. Click on any section of the credits and replace the placeholders with your actual names and titles, like director, editor, or special thanks. This step is where you personalize your credits and give proper recognition to everyone who helped make your project happen. Next, focus on visuals. If your chosen template has an image or background that doesn't fit your style, simply click on it and select Replace. You can swap it with Canva's built-in photos or upload your own. To upload, click on the Uploads tab on the left, then drag and drop any image from your computer. You can resize, move, or layer these visuals however you like to create a smooth, professional layout. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to bring it to life. Go to the top right corner and click Download. Choose a video format like MP4. That way, your credits will roll smoothly when added to your project. And that's it. You've just created rolling credits that look like they came straight from a film studio, all in Canva with zero editing headaches. Give your next project that final touch of professionalism and watch how much more complete it feels. Thanks for watching, and remember, creativity doesn't need to be complicated. Keep experimenting, keep designing, and I'll see you in the next one.